Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be teaching us how to create a YouTube account or YouTube channel using our mobile phone. Sometime during the week I was with someone and the person asked me, how can I create a YouTube channel on my phone? Because I don't want to use the Gmail account I use for all my business and the rest. I want to create a new Gmail account. So I decided, okay, I will make a video because there might be a lot of persons out there who are asking the same questions, who don't want to use maybe their business Google accounts for YouTube. They just want to create something unique for YouTube. So I want to teach us how we are going to create these accounts. Now, before you can create a YouTube channel, there are 4 things that you need to do. First of all, make sure your phone has good internet connection. That's one. Secondly, the Gmail account, because it's that Gmail account you use to create your YouTube account. Secondly, download your YouTube app. If you don't have, download. If you already have, fine. Then thirdly, download YouTube Studio, because that is where you do most of your settings on YouTube. Most of your settings will be done on YouTube Studio. So once you have these things, then we can now go into creating a YouTube channel. So let's go straight in to create our Google account. So on the home page, you just click on Google account sign up or sign in. Then you see the first thing that pops up will be Google account sign in. Click on it. So this page now, I'm already having an account on. It's going to bring out my details. So on the top right corner, you see the initials of your name or any name you have there. Just click on it. Then you're going to see some things popping up. It will tell you add another account. Just click on add another account. Now to take you to the next page, also click add accounts to device. So it's going to be loading to verify that you are the one. So I'll just confirm. So it has brought us to a page where we can create an account. So click on create account. Just go for my personal use. So your first name, let's say Davidson. Then your surname, let's use this. Then you have to input your date of birth. Just put my date of birth, June. Then your gender, male. Then click next. Now it's going to give you suggestions of what you can use. Pick a Gmail address or create your own. So just go and create your own. So let's say Davidson teaches 11 at gmail.com. So we hope that, okay, they've given you a suggestion. So Davidson teaches 11, then just click next. So nobody has taken that name already. Sometimes you might type in something and you see that the name has been taken. So you can just keep on typing until you get something that is unique to you. Then type in a password. At this point, always make sure you type in a password that you can remember. Type in a password that you can remember. So let's use this hash 345678. Next. So now they're saying it must be at least 8 letters. So let's do star hash 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's just make it up to 10. So it has been accepted. So you say review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. So this is done. Next. So just agree to their options. So it's loading now. The account is being created, as you can see on my phone. Just a few moments. So within a few moments, your Google account will be created. So let's just give it a little more time. to create. So as you can see now, it has been added to the list of my emails. You can see davidsonteaches11@gmail.com. So that is basically how to create your own account. So now that we have created our Google account, this is what we are going to use now to activate our YouTube channel. Now, you can use one Google account to create as many channels as you want, but sometimes it's always good to have a particular Google account assigned to a channel for you to be able to track its progress. You understand? So now, and again, for verification purposes. So for now, we are going to load our YouTube app. Like I said, if you don't have the YouTube app, just go download it from your Play Store or your Apple Store. And so we just type in YouTube. So that's it. It comes out. So this is my existing channel. Now, because we want to create a new channel, now we just click on switch accounts. So to give me the list of all my accounts that I have, my Gmail accounts, those that have been assigned to a channel. Now, if you see the new one I just created, Davidson Eric, it says no channel. I want to create a channel for it now. So you click on it, so it will bring you to the home page. Now, what you do at the bottom right hand side, you see the initial there, D. Just click, so it will bring you here. Then tell you under Davidson, it will tell you create a channel. So just click on it, and you see picture will appear. You can load your picture there, your name. Let's just leave it as Davidson Eric. Then the handle, they've given you the handle already. You can choose to edit it, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's just leave it at this. Then create a channel. Automatically, your channel has been created automatically. Now we can now go, they say try searching to get started. So maybe just search about how to cook fried rice. Just click on it. Now automatically this channel is active. Now let's go and set the channel more. Let's do more settings for the channel. So you see, just click on the icon there. Now you see this pencil sign. It's what you can use to do all your settings. So click on the pencil sign. You see the name, Davidson Eric, handle, create URL, description. This is a very important part of creating your YouTube channel. So once you get to this place, you can just create this channel is about learning. Then you click on save. So this is what this channel is all about. If you feel you don't really know what to type there, you can always go to ChatGPT, explain to ChatGPT about the channel and what the channel is all about, telling ChatGPT that you want to create a description for the channel. ChatGPT will help you to create a description for the channel. Don't make your description too long. Then don't make it too short, but make it concise. Let it tell about your channel. So having done that, you can see that under description it has been uploaded. Now it says keep all my subscription private. No, this is supposed to be a public page, so you just put it off, so your subscriptions can be seen by everybody. And that is basically that about your channel setting. And you can put in your picture at any point in time when you like. You can put in your picture. Now to post any video, all you need to do is click on create. It will give you options: create a short, upload a video, go live, create a post. So let's say we want to create a video. To give you suggestions of videos that you can create. So let's say I have this video I did for some of my friends who were one of my priest friends who did the anniversary. So I just click on this one. So this is what the video is about. Let me reduce the volume so that it doesn't distract. Okay, so this is what it's all about. So just click next. YouTube has given you the opportunity to trim, but because the video is not very long, I will not be trimming it. I just click on next. So you have options of adding text and all of those things to edit your video. They can click on next also. Now it's telling you add details. Now, two of the most important things you can do to help your video reach a wider audience are your titles and your descriptions. They are very, very important. So you can just go ahead and type happy anniversary brothers or fathers, any one of them, because these guys are actually my friends. So you can just click it, and that's basically it. This is what the video is talking about, fathers. Or you can say, for it to reach a wider audience, you can say Catholic priests anniversary. Now this title is going to make the algorithm of YouTube see that you are referring to Catholic priests. So by that alone, is going to send the videos to those who are interested in anything Catholic, those who go and type Catholic. Because of the title you have put there, it will bring your video, will be one of the suggested videos there. Then you can come to your description. This is also very important. Your visibility. Now there are three options here. We have the public, we have the unlisted, we have the private. Don't touch unlisted at all. Don't even go there, because when you click unlisted, you are telling YouTube that I don't want to post this video publicly. I just want it for myself and for those that I want to see it. So in this case, YouTube is never going to publish it out there, except you send someone a link to the video. That is when the person can see the video. If you don't send anybody the link to the video, only you'll be able to watch the video. YouTube will not push it out there. Now public, YouTube will push it out. Anybody that wants to watch can watch. Now private, only people you choose can view. That's what they put here. Only people you choose can view. Now it is always advisable that when you want to post a video, do not put it on public. Why? When an author writes a book, he doesn't just publish it immediately. He gives it to people to proofread it. So when you set your video to public, you are taking away that privilege of proofreading or previewing. Do you understand? So, but when you set it to private, you can do all other settings on it, but you can now go back and preview it. So that if there are any places you might need to cut out or edit, add one or two things, you can just add and remove, then schedule it. So here now I'm clicking private, and then it will show me schedule. So I can schedule this video for tomorrow is Sunday. I can schedule it for Sunday 22nd. I click OK. Time, it's asking me time. I can schedule it for 2:05 p.m. and I say OK. So tomorrow at exactly 2:05 p.m. this video will be published. Whether I'm online or I'm not online, I've scheduled it. It will be published. Now I can now go back. Then now another thing you must know is whatever video you are posting, you have to be sure that this video is not meant for kids. All of these settings I'm going to show us in our next video. I don't want to make this video too long. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to upload to optimize your video for public view. Now, but as you can see, most of our videos now our settings have been done. You can just upload short, because this video is vertical, it's in vertical format, so it will be seen as short. It's not in horizontal format. So it has been uploaded. You can see it uploading your video, and that is it. By the time you go to this channel, you will see this video uploaded. But like I said, this video is for tutorial purposes, I'm going to remove that video from this account. This account will just be used for only tutorial purposes. So I hope you have been able to learn how to create your own Google account and how to use that Google account to create your YouTube channel. So in the next video, I will show us how to optimize our YouTube channel for a wider audience. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.